Hey guys, welcome back to Talk Up TV 1. Guys, today we will be doing the bulla eating contest along with water. There will be two teams, Sax and I.
Yeah man, you don't know what team is. Away.
And Caitlin and Marshall.
Yes, away next team and
We are going to win this.
Alright.
Sax and Marshall will be going against each other. Each contestant gets 3 bulla and a 1.5 liter water, catching peak water. Whoever finished first is going to be the winner. So guys, we'll be using a stopwatch to time them.
rushing, go rushing, go rushing, go rushing. Do not stop rushing. Do not stop.
Yeah, sola le piste. Le piste che ha quello. Yeah, sola.
Hey man, I should have myself. What you know, yeah, man?
What's here? See something. So guys, we have the two losers here.
You lose some, you win some.
So, how was it?
Why? To the honest truth, see first bite, the bulla just stuck in my mouth. I'm not trying to like come like good up. So, yeah. I feel like I'm going to see and show the whole life. I know I'm busy.
You see, when it comes to the bulla part, I know I could have managed it, but you see water, I don't like water. I don't like water doing.
So, the downfall, your downfall was the water.
Yes.
What was your downfall?
Bulla now, good up in my throat.
Okay.
So, yeah, just, guys, stay tuned, alright now.
Next time to see the winners compete against each other.
I'm tired.
Oh yeah, we have a challenge for the two losers them days, see?
Alright. Yeah.
Alright, so these are the winner. Alright.
Minutes and
Chicken
25
dinner.
seconds.
How much will you go? 9 minutes and 13 seconds?
Something like that.
Yeah.
Alright, so how was it?
Well, at the end, I felt like I wanted to throw up, but I didn't fail my group.
Okay.
I didn't fail my team.
Alright.
Why, I'm not gonna lie, at one point it just feel like say I saw a rock stone in my belly, you see it?
Yeah.
Right now, if I belch, water literally come up in my throat. Just to show you, say, it's
Full.
over full.
Alright.
Never gonna do that again.
So your
So
belly.
guys, in the next video, we'll be competing to get the overall winner. I won't tell you what the challenge is about next, but we'll see. Stay
Nah,
tuned.
me nah-
Stay tuned.
I'm not tell you how, but I know it's me I go win. Me.
So that exotic guys
It
sell.
take almost 10 minutes to me, I'm 3 bola.
Yeah, cause that's a bull what if a something like one bull and break. Just what if and that's we are gonna go. What if
There's
I
the
want
break
break?
easier.
Yeah,
1 bola break.
yeah.
Okay.
We don't have big buckle of soon and we're not gonna do that. Anyways, that's it. Just stay tuned and we'll see you next challenge. Peace out.